다 되려야 다다리 다 대제미 군주스 다다 대제미 군주 팀 숨바 다제지 초도 네들지 디토리아 지당게 다간다 가주에 지 저진이 주마 창으로 나르다 면접에 다 가주래 지 다 뽑았으나도 야나지 장그장에 이치를 니지 다지 수수지 죄사를 써서 되지 뽑아놓지 닉즈 뽑아 전부 중요해 되지 하다 넘규 메시지 오시다 총사 다대응랑 가보시다 총송 가르스타는 최대 지딩이 정확한 주변 의미는 수술이야 딩쇠를 뽑아를 가라간 섬이지 매비미나 아니 정확한 주도해야 될 거 하시다 제가 디균선대는 드리지 상해지 나라면 지 딩쇠 딩다 뽑아 다른 수술한 거랑이지 강배강이야 수술랑 토야 그 이제는지 얘도 제자한테 가보시라 좋스 제자 그냥 참로리야 다 인지결이야 congratulations 다 벽에는 가라라다디 다비 영문에 다 가수에 저시들도 수양이
We're having the third Arya Kshema Winter Dharma gathering, and as I look out, I see that all of the nuns have a confidence that they did not have before. You've all gained confidence, a belief in yourself, and a confidence that you are able to do things and that you are capable. And I see the expressions of this, and I'm very happy to see this. The reason for this is because no matter what we're doing, whether it be the Dharma or whether it be something worldly, if we first of all do not have the confidence in ourselves, then it's difficult for us to actually get anything done, no matter what it might be. And so, to see that you have that confidence, that courage and confidence, that self-confidence that you did not have before, and that belief that you actually can get things done is really wonderful. I'm very happy to see it, and I'd like to congratulate you all.
And 저기 지당게 지 주면 소리야 들지기 다 딘수에도 뽑아를 녀야래야 뒤지 마무지 고요 어레 삼정도 봐 대래한다 고겐 섬을베 고겐 선한다도 파르제 대래는 마부 요래 요래 벤차샤비입니다. 다지 상게 샤게 겨샤게도 베덴발이야. 봄에 로드 중한데 데네 상게 데모 롱압자 지바 상게 데모 롱압자 냠바 레스 저기 딱 계지 신년 용디요 안에 세상에 들이 세상 디균zel 데네 디스 가르쳐다 간다 지토한 디즈지 심슈 파야당 어느지 뽑아게야랴 고겐 파르제를 마무시다 체대요 아래 제상 다른 데지 뽑아당 딘스 데지 녀야디 레라브지만인바 아 참에 하고 된세르 지미 두산 참에 텔리아 지 가르쳐다지 데지 뽑아도 딘스 녀야디你搞也不记得，你搞能行得了，人堂条件别，接人情话的开始不是大意思了，跟其实没，主要不看的。 that candy.
Candy.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I had thought initially that it might take a long time to develop that self-confidence, that for the nuns to develop such self-confidence. And the reason is because there's so many impediments and so many obstacles, difficulties to be faced. As you all know, there are many people who say such things as that the teachings of the Shakyamuni Buddha will be diminished or decreased, or the duration of the teachings will be decreased by 500 years if women are ordained and so forth. And in any case, there are many impediments, many things that get in the way of increasing our enthusiasm and increasing the confidence. And so it's not easy to develop such confidence and enthusiasm. It's not an easy thing to find, as you all know. So I think it's important to recognize now how difficult it is to find such confidence and how much value it has.
Kung Zanandado, that lungi jabden. That is this yore, lungi jabden, never the Marte with a 7-star ranch, lungi jabden, 7 digit Rayo Mare. Nina Azut Nanire, that Chilugi. Chilutana Nanire, you don't join Lolia. The Chera Shenzu, Chera Sheba Chimbusa, Jora, Chera Sheba Chimbusadi, Denju di, that Denju be Kizin Chadi or it. Around the Tundama, she's Shediak. Cherana, Dodeba, Umaba, Simzamba, Simzamba, Umaba Shediaki, Cherana Sadi, that Tentoadi. 카실리에베지 탐제유나 디즈기 에너지 체라마웨기 슝 시라도 셰바 첨부사기 슝다 추디르 나체 다 디젠장로 제순장체네 에네 주대 룩 송바 인주사네 디균zel데네 체라나와스 체라나와스 토과의 균zel데 체라도 셰바 첨부기 슝테 텔라데네 총대버지들이 세브시라레 제자 Chirashia Chembusa debi shung, the Naruki, Nambegi Shulu, that Kajin Chadi or it.
Now, in the past, I've discussed about this issue, or given an explanation of why it is said that the duration of the teachings will be decreased by 500 years. From one aspect, if we look at it from one aspect, the reasons are not all that clear. It's like it's hard to find a good source, a good scriptural citation. There are, of course, a few, but they are not all that clear. But last year, that is in the last Western year, in 2015, we began looking in detail at a text called the collection of the Great Exposition. And this is a very important treatise. Now, as you know, in Tibetan Buddhism, we talk about there being 4 philosophical schools: the Exposition School, or Vaibhashika, the Sutra, or Sautrantika, Mind-only, or Chittamatra, and the Middle Way, or Madhyamaka. And so the first of these is the Exposition School. And the reason it is given that name, the Exposition School, is that the great masters of the Sarvastivada school in Kashmir gathered all of the texts of the exposition into a great exposition, and then they followed this as the basis of their philosophical school. And so they were given the name, their name was given based upon the name of that text. So they're called the Great Exposition, based on the name of the text, the Great Exposition. And so for that reason, their name is given based, the name of the school is given based upon the name of that text, which one is one of the most important ancient Buddhist philosophical texts.
Chiradu Shiava Chimbudi, Ar Pegetola, Mevre, Uma Pegetola, Yomare. Tembangadar Gole, Mevre, Tembachidar Gole, Mevre. Yana Getolia, Chira Shinju, Chiradu Shiava Chimbudi, the Jurmara Sum Yondiare. The Geshuti, Robin, the Tangi Denisuba, Shenzangi. Did a Pambu Niga. You had a shot that the Geshu Simta, Shema the Ande, Takanda, Jurmida Sumyana. That the Chisu, Tangobju, Shigdon would get Shibushan remedy. Shibju, Ngobju, Dwajilia, as a Jay, Robin Cheva, that Fazun Sudwa, that Cheva Sudda. Condi began Persian Divulia, Lobjona Metro. Divun this Lobjon Nancy, the Jen. Kanda Kongi Gege Tony, Pege Tolia, to Gurje. Tata Kanda, the Niji, Pege Tolia. Tata Pambo Kasheji, Rignesaji Gavlia, Pambo Kasheji, Polachimre, Madota, Manchedi, but a labia.
Okay. Now this text.
The Fazun said, Fazun. Venerable Fazun.
Now this text, the great, the treatise of the Great Exposition, was not previously translated into Tibet. It was not translated during the ancient translation school, during the ancient translation period, nor during the later translation period. But it was translated into Chinese. There are actually 3 translations of it in Chinese. The longest of these translations is one that was prepared by the great 8th century translator Xinsang. It's about 200 fascicles, or 200 bundles of text. But there are 3 different translations. Now, in modern times, it was sometime in maybe the 1940s or 1950s, there was a Chinese monk named the Venerable Fa Tsun, who studied probably at Drepung Monastery. And he, on his own, translated this text from Chinese into Tibetan. Now, there are probably some portions of this that were lost during the Cultural Revolution, but most of the text remains.
Dema Tongbunsa, Kirashmura, the Jibungi, Dema Tongbunsa, Kirash. That digi Charo Nangis. Kashisan, Dema Tongbun Gushas, Dema Tongbun Rangi, Gunash of the Insamataine, Dema Tongbunsa, that go to some Kavash Shore, just a Kongi Charo Nancy.
At that time, there was a great scholar named Deba Tongpen at Drepung. Some people say that it was he who translated the text, but it probably wasn't. But he certainly was was very learned and assisted with the translation.
What a dinner, Lolea. That dinner, Pambo Kari and Chingaminduta. And that dinner, Lolea, that Tobachi, Tobachi. That the Karasana, the Cherashin to the Zango Yunzendi, Sangi Gibe, Doinalole, Kanalology, Miseva, Seva Sada, Yanchi, Tobatism Richon, Tisulia, the Rondo Ser, the Jedwa. Just dinner, Chuaj Layer. Chua the Karasana. Sangi Deva and lot on to negatives. They be necessary, lot on to negatives, lot on to negative chat. That permit of the Chuana Tene, long object gibberish, or just a long object of Negomata. Lot on non long object tensiona, 다 롱압제만 내가 말아. 롱압제만 내가 말았어. 이나야 다 제라 신주디 상계 양해를 되는 로 두개 제수 중부지. 로 두개 제수. 다로 두개 제는 상계 때문에 내려 봐다. 상계 때문에 내려 두산 다한테 가르스다. 상계 때문에 롱압제 로 치동만 내가 말았어. 동다직만 내가 말을 나와. 디나는 롱압제네. 안다 보면라도 중앙을 되네. 롱압제 매우 차서스. 다 이내 상계 때문에 다다 내들 때 가르스다. 이 상계 두스만 롱 치동만 내가 말해. 디나네 압제네 매우 차서래. 다 단도 상계 때문에 내도 와스. 그래서 다디 룽덴데 베디 다 계절부터 봐 도도를 시에는 봐 룽덴데 따다 되를 유서 말았다. 룽덴데 따다라 되를 유서 말았어. 근데 이제 좋아지든지 렌샤.
Now, in this text, there is one passage where they discuss a doubt or a problem. And the reason for this is that basically this text takes many of the points that are not clear in the sutras and the words of the Buddha and tries to make them clear, tries to summarize everything. And it asks many questions. Among them, one question it asks is it says, the Buddha predicted a prophecy that his teachings would remain for 1,000 years. But then he later said that if women were ordained, that the duration of the teachings would be decreased by 100 years. So that would mean that the teachings would only remain for 500 years total, because if you have 1,000 years and you subtract 500 from that, you only have 500 left for the teachings to remain. And yet this treatise, the presentation of the Great Exposition, was written 600 years after the Buddha passed into nirvana. Even though it was written 600 years later, the teachings were still extant. The teachings remained. So why is that? If the teachings were only supposed to say 1,000 years, and then then their duration was decreased for 500 years because of women being ordained, how is it that even longer, more than 500 years later, that the teachings were still present? So basically, what this is saying is that the prophecy is not accurate, and so this is the question that it poses.
다디 도박 공론도 보시면다. 데 좋아디 도박 공론도 지금 미신다지 지유나면 다간다 도박인지 쇼네. 다들 렌디 나머 렌니도 렌미라니 다 지디 렌지 당보대 가르었으나 다 상계 때문에 로통도 롱하게 드버레사디 가와 고고레스나 넘버 2기 다지 롱하게 드버레스다 가르스나 다좀에 드부토야 다지 디빌리우스야들 주도와 디빌리우스야지 다좀에 공방토야기 딱 간다지 가서지 근데 다 리우스란다도 다 세션도 디베 조벌이야 근데지 공부했다 넘버 2 디부 넘버 2 디부 넘버 2 템바 가서 디벌 공부해서 찍도 방법이 다 니버디 가라서 니버디 너니 오망해지 쉬비인데던 러버를 차샤 니버디 가라도스나 부메럽도 중앙라 때네 리사데 가라서나 부메래 지위 최계사죠와 부메럽도 중앙에 걸이야 지위 최계사지 상계기 계량고 예소다 다 지위 최기 계량바 이나 누구 말했어 지위 최기 계량바 인자 디비어 말했다 지위 최기 기시 급디도 계량면나 dimdures 제가 디균전데 디강에데 요 말했다 간다 다디 따다 되려 다디 집시 다다도 나도도 다간다 상계 템바 롱압전 디요 말했어 나도도 다 넘버 2 디부션에 다도 지위지 계량바 시에나 다간다 로 아체데 디비어 말했어 나 단 디비어레스다 가와 공부했으나 찍디 넘버 2 디부 넘버 2 템바 디발로 공부체 찍디 지위 최기 개 말레나 다 고르 시다 가르르다지 넘버 2 개 말렘바 시나 스타 간다 가르르다지 더 다 드니지 넘버 2 가서다 지위 최기 개 말래나 기시 지위 개 말래서나 아니다 년가요 알았어 드니지 임자
Now, in the text, it gives two responses. This question here is just raising the issue, and then there are two different responses to it. The first of these responses is that when it talks about the Buddha's teachings being, the duration of the Buddha's teachings being decreased for 500 years, what it means is not the general level of the teachings, according to this answer. Instead, it is the length, the period of liberation would be decreased by 500 years. That period of liberation, what we mean by that is there are said to be different phases of the Buddha's teachings, and so the phase when many people would achieve the level of arhat would be decreased by 500 years, and so we can call this the phase or the teachings of liberation. And so one answer is that this phase of the Buddha's teachings has been decreased by 500 years. The second answer, the second reply to this question is one that is similar to what I've said in the past. Now, when women were ordained, then initially ordained, then the Buddha told them that they needed to accept the eight respectful dharmas, and so the response is because women accepted the eight respectful dharmas, then the duration of the teachings was not decreased. If they had not accepted these eight respectful dharmas, then the duration would have decreased. But since they did, then the duration of the teachings has not been decreased. In any case, what we can say is that the duration of the Buddhist teachings has not been decreased by 500 years. And whether we say that this is because that was said in terms of the phase of liberation, or if we say it is because of the because of accepting the eight respectful dharmas, and therefore the teachings were not decreased. In any case, they have not decreased. And so when we talk about the teachings, the duration of the teachings being decreased by 500 years, then we're saying that it's either in case, then the answer this text gives is that it's either in case of either situation of the phase of liberation being shorter, or that there is a danger, if it were possible, that women would not have accepted the eight respectful dharmas.
Tati lungi gyabden kung zembro jeda sebashta jire sam dos tendi ye. Kare sana cheda sheba chembudi tang azu nyendu deba choge nanne. Tamji yebro mawe ta ji shung zawe gi shunglu ru chadi yore. Mainstream somewhere zawe shunglu ru dos chadi yore. Ta nyendu deba choge nalo ne ane ta deba targe chishu shugen chishu tadi tamji yunar chadi yore chezam di gyunzen dene ta di shunglu kejenji nalo le dos köyebi yüzdane anda ngazu sangolo ji kashwe ta ngone des ji tizumse arbuş ta dis lo devruş çağırmış dişin ore ama şimdi 가르쳐다. 당연히 되시.
Now, I think that this is a very clear scriptural, or a very clear scriptural support for this. And the reason for that is the text comes from the exposition school, which is a branch of the Sarvastivada schools, which is one of the 18 original schools of the Shravakas, of the Shravaka schools. It is their basic, their fundamental treatise and text. And so, among the 18 different schools, the most widespread and the most and the most influential was this Sarvastivada. And so since this text, the treatise on the Great Exposition, is their fundamental treatise, I think that this can really help us eliminate our doubts and have more confidence.
다들 뒤를 니즈집에 난래야 랑 상으로 단도에 지 저블링 토알이야 지 포초 모멘스 말 포초 규베인바 모멘바인바 이제 다와로 단도야 다 아달 지 갈라간점 쇼침부르지 단도야 요아래 다 상계 준딘데 겁래야 야 지소 나로래야 포쇼 모멘게 따왔으나 다 된대기디 유에베 시에만 오버지 좋았다 제가 참상 아주 여기 팀상 그 사무당당이 야지 사무당당으로 당지 야 상계기 뒤럽리야 사무당은 비슷한 디디스 적으면도 삼죠 간다 상계 중된데 겁리야 간다 니지 지소 내단으로 디디지 미주스다 깔라가고 싶지 분명 다버지 상계기다 분명히 중앙디 겁지 뒤산에 지속 내단의 뒤미나 다들 깔래하고 싶지 내단을 차리유서 미참에지 다들 지금 말했어야지 니주지 드린 주산에 다 디균센데네 상계가 남산남사 당부 분명히 중앙으로 지체 기구다모 코르단세베 슈베걸이야 다 팅카시 슈브레 켈레마나오르 들랑에 산다 균제르 도사므르지 안 타마들이야 다 가나 군거유 슈체 균젠데 제리바 슈에걸이야 되네 신에 지가르레 지조 나노 임비네야 덴덴게 지가르다 다 규림도 지에베 토네 다 지조 나노 임비네 다 가다지 상계기디 도메르도 좋나디 고바 균젠나 제네 나와 임비지 가다 무슨 되어버지 조선 된데 돼야지다 된데지 제제 안다나지 지위 취기 개련 주야돼야 다 급디디 지속에 내단다 저게 되지 다디 임바디 고란 류안남 대비 세버지 버지 통도 섬도 그래도 안드린 주산 디균선 때네 급디디 주산은 상계에 다지 분명히 된래야 한다지 라바스um 용스 줘봐 너네 냠네 자 고급 나면데 급디디 삼로담에 임이나 하장기다 간달 지가수에 간달지 사르도의 정신세는 장도 급디디산 하장기다 개발도 합에 니주르지 매도 좀 니주르지 바지 차리 여러 삼정도 대점도 말 다다 삼담이나 드림 이주집이 나나 삼담이미냐 디 오늘지 겨 다당 아주 차상지 상계 좀 된데 로니동 아제 간래 급리야 공리야 라렌 따르도 차상 아주 다 라렌 따르고 말아 제가 드림 이주집이 나로래 아주 제모도 버지 다가 상계기 급디디 아니 상원으로 지 고급으로 또 낭 들이 제임이 있으니 다지 할레베 니주르지 또 차디요 나 간다 가니면에 전다 도도로 되네 다지 괴바 매백이지 토바당 아니지 다는 신기 티숨사당 다는 신기 야지 심슈차당 디 괴바 매겨도 과면도 쓰다 아 니마 드린네 손도 봐 디주바지 바로 아셔 괴바 매워도 토바 제거해서 게면 딱한테 주수기 땜바도 저에 달려야지 심구를 깨시 에너지 땜바도 좀 배서도 야바 채도에 총이미나 안 다가랑기 저도 시야마다 다 도바디스지 골라 먹을라지 망고디스도 과스 게면도 스타트에 쉬고서
Even today in the 21st century, the sexist views are still extremely common and very strong. And so I think that there's no need for us to mention what it was like at the time, that there was a lot of sexism at the time of the Buddha in India. Sometimes we have a tendency to take our views and our perspectives from the way, from now, and sort of assume that it was similar during the time of the Buddha. But I don't think we can do that. In the time of the Buddha, it was a different society. At that time, it was very controversial to ordain women in that particular society. It was very difficult, it was very controversial, and most people and everyone said that it was not all right that it was not acceptable to ordain women. And so I think when we look at it in this perspective, we can see that when the Buddha did not immediately allow this, when Mahaprajapati asked, she asked several times to become ordained, and the Buddha did not accept it. And it wasn't until later when Ananda asked on her behalf, on the women's behalf, and explained the reasons that he allowed it. And I think the reason is because of the societal situation of that age and that place. But in any case, he did saw the reasons and the benefits and allowed women to go forth and become ordained. And I think if we look at it in this way, the 8 respectful dharmas are based upon the societal conditions of that era. It's very clear when we look in the Vinaya. This really becomes very clear. At any case, in that particular time, he gave those who have the bodily support of a woman, he gave them the opportunity to practice the 3 trainings in their entirety. And this is something that was quite unprecedented in that time and in that society. It was amazing. It was really astonishing that he was able to do that. If we take a look back on it now and we think about it now, the fact that 2,500 years ago in that situation, the Buddha was able to do things, and people were able to practice the Buddha's teachings. There are things that people did to practice that the Buddha instituted 2,500 years ago that we are not able to do anymore. In this 21st century, the fact that we can't do everything that the Buddha taught, for his women is. We are not able to do everything that the Buddha taught, such as give the bhikkhuni vows, is really an astonishing situation. But the main point really comes down to we don't need to have any doubts. We do not need to lose confidence about things that are unnecessary. There's no point. There is no need to do that. And so from this day on, we should make sure that we do not worry about things that are trivial and unimportant. Instead, we need to increase our enthusiasm and our inspiration to bring benefit to the teachings and sentient beings by upholding, spreading, and propagating the teachings. And I think if we do this, it'll work out well. And there's no need for us to worry about trivialities.
다디 타겐다 드버스 게임도 다 이미네 다게 가상자 드르 지시야 와 sometimes 다 건다 예 드리지 차 베시 드리지 나로 드리지 예비 인상 되지 시에비 디즈 펜도르 시원서래서 드르 지도 스테서.
Now, of course, this is not directly connected to the ornament of precious liberation, but I thought I'd like to say it because I did find this passage in the text, and I thought it would be helpful to explain it.
다네 다바지 예리아 자들레마 손다 다디 자데 까망에 질레스다 까망아 디츠 텐션.
We've got 5 minutes till tea, so maybe we can move the hands of the clock forward.
다 대량 더더 가상 쉬는 신기 다 가수에 semgeedi kunzu chenju ki semdeya gombe dobgi gegure ma dobegi choga tsingde ma zamshi geduwa mare jesa da gombe dobgi gegu yebe indu sane gombe dobgi gegi yebe ina ona da choga chene goba 가려야res 좋아지체 다 기시 초게 gegi yebe ina gomne 가려야res 다 좋아니 되지요니 알아요.
Now, as I explained yesterday, when we rouse bodhicitta, we need to rouse relative bodhicitta through meditation. Just merely reciting the words of a ritual will not produce bodhicitta. It needs to be developed through meditation. And so if that's the case, then the question comes up. If you have to produce it through meditation, then what is the purpose, what is the need to have a ritual for rousing bodhicitta? So that's the first question. And then the second question that comes up is, well then if you can arouse bodhicitta through a ritual, then why bother meditating on it?
이게 고유서 말해. 가시면은 격해져 하면 다 잡았거든. 다들네 대야 조침비 조지반데 어디시 숨바다나 당부 로장니 다 로종사디 아주 로종사도 많고 용도아 가담발로 로종 딘디마 로종 스기에마사 많고 용도아 로종 다지 로종 야자사요. 제가 로종 많고 용데 로 가르친 거 알았잖아. 꾸준히 쌤 로정 거 알아. 제가 당부 로장네 쌤게발라베 녜바 템포 중소나 되네 초게 소와체나 야부요 알았어. 드리 소아래. 드리 두산에 초게 소에 걸려 인지미지 쌤게 게바 녜전도 고메버지. 당봉년에 쌤게 로장세 쌤 게네 템포 차소나 되네 디젤이야 되네 초가 제비나 야부아래 지지 되네 소여비 인두산에 초가 제외 걸로다 앙알 게심버르지 게신 템바차르지 다가 그 게즘에도 게신 템바치 게서 가면도 가다 되지 소요하네.
Now what Lord Atisha said about this is that we first have to train our mind. And so we talk about mind training, or lojong. We talk about the 7 points of mind training, the 8 verses of training the mind. There's a collection called the 100 Mind Trainings. In any case, when we talk about training the mind, this means training the mind in relative bodhicitta. And so then when we've really trained our mind definitely and are stable in it, then if we do the ritual, then it turns out well. And so it is not that we definitely produce bodhicitta during the ritual. It's that we first train our mind, and then once the mind training has become stable, if we do the ritual at that point, it is good, according to Atisha.
다 지당기 생계사디 로장니 종다르체네 깨과지 레스 이나야 초게 송아이미나 코란을 그바 미세요르스 근데 생계디 나르게베 생계디 땜보요하다 다나 신기 편유의 님이 지야라서 편유의 님이다 그 초게 거는 소용주사네 다들 편유의 님이 지 망버지대야 그렇지 용으로 봐 드린 주산 테레라 소베게 다 그바 개버지 여버렸어.
And so, rousing bodhicitta comes from training the mind. We have previously trained the mind in bodhicitta, but still embracing it with the ritual or grasping it, adopting it through a ritual is also there is a reason to do this. For example, it will stabilize your earlier bodhicitta, and it also will make you more aware. You'll be able to enumerate the benefits and the defects of the benefits of bodhicitta, the defects of not having bodhicitta, and so forth. So there are many different purposes for the ritual.
다 심게 초게 수화의 셰윤 주스다네 다 될래야 다 될래야 다다 타겐나네 숨반난 신기 다 당부 칸레 랑유 심게디 된더지 심게디 초게 수의 겁리야 다 초가 칭행기 다 가져야지 로변스나 장도 다 초가 칭행기 캠보르드 수이나 다디 문지 저와 제자 간라랑유 사야데 다 당부디 심게디 미 칸다지 다 가져 가사 칸다지기 뉴네 아주 ane samgye domba shukura saade chuwa tangwade dire.
And so when we, as described in the Ornament of Precious Liberation, there is the person from whom we take the vow. So then we have the ritual, there is the master who gives us the vow, who performs the ritual, the master or the preceptor, and we need to understand what sort of a person this would be. So we need to understand, first of all, the first question we must ask is, what sort of person can we take the vow from?
Tela, wabe ludubda. Tene choji ki lama changshu sambada. Tene danaji choji sogi. Mönsim di khanle langwe yu ki tsini sebo sumyabda.
Now, Nagarjuna and Atisha's master, Bodhibhadra or Chanchuksamo, and various other masters did not clearly explain the characteristics or the qualifications of the person from whom one takes the vow of aspirational bodhicitta.
Yine da kadam khoman namji shebalas. Da kadam khoma diju. Da kadam khoma sade da kadam be ngarchebe ji kadam gi lama gewe shinye. Da diju gi shebaleya. Kuzu gi debal khare arsana. Di sim mönsim langwe yu telya mönsim debache. Ane mönsim gi lapshala neba zamgi mishoba. Chanchu sembe gi jugdum da neba, jugbe doma da neba. Tende ji gore che. Sungu yare. Da di lo deya zu di kung juesa lo di gyar lo dale namge semge chowa. Di na lo le tende ji sungu yabja cheza telya kung jue na so simja. Jiren buchi je tangje kembe je zongga bachimbe baji tenro buchi xie nang yu sare sambar buchi.
However, the early Kadampa forefathers, that is, the earliest masters and spiritual friends of the Kadampa tradition, in their explanation, the person from whom we can take the vow of aspirational bodhicitta, it's not enough for them to be someone who just has aspirational bodhicitta and who dwells within and who upholds the precepts of aspirational bodhicitta. They also need to have the vow of engaged bodhicitta. Now, the source for saying this is from a ritual written by an Indian master named Dalenda. And this is also the explanation that is given by the great Tsongkhapa in his writings.
Central Kumin Zeve, da Domba Nishube Nalo Leya Sunyagi, Simge Langwe, Yugi, Tsini de Dang, Changju lam dren sumbege simge lang yu tsingi di da ji dez ji keba chamo zama do bege shize chane da jiborub chadi yusre.
In his 20 vows, the great master Chandragoming described the characteristics of someone from whom you take the bodhisattva vow. They are also described in the lamp for the path to enlightenment. There are slight differences, but fundamentally they are the same.
Tata di targen nalo leya changju lamdrene sumbege simge lang yu tsingi di dinala gwenasha.
In the Ornament of Precious Liberation, what it presents are the characteristics of the preceptor as given in the lamp for the path of enlightenment.
Da deang dodo shubi mina semge langwe yuge da lamam lobyon di da tsingiru tsishiru kandeji longgo resana da delaya keba da zumba da nuba somgi yuenden da deba ji goreso.
And so the characteristics, to summarize, the characteristics of the Lama or the qualifications of the Lama are that they need to be learned, venerable, and capable. They need to have these three qualifications. And so this is for aspirational bodhicitta, the qualifications of the person from whom you take the aspirational bodhicitta.
yunden sumgi nani ra tangbo di kebe yunden dire da kebe yunden de kaleji gora salama tangbo jige karure sem gebege da menga da dangwa de suma mbobam dangwa de suma zhoya le kebe yude chi an pardo anji sem gebe choga delea ji kebe yude chi dene tamade ji semge simbi jelea di labjata di chirju semada di nyamna chirju ja tela keba yedebchi nijugo yusa.
And so there are these three qualities, and the first of them is being learned. So here in this context, what does it mean? Well, first of all, in the beginning, it means that the master is skilled or learned in giving the pith instructions or the spiritual advice in developing bodhicitta. In the middle, they need to be learned in how to give perform the ritual. And in the end, after you have developed bodhicitta, they need to be skilled. They need to be learned in upholding the precepts.
다드네 창돔 호랑 심게랑 유기다 로변 라마디 창돔 더 랑라 마냠버 수와 딘디지기다 지 준비연데나 데마치고요.
Now also the preceptor who gives the bodhisattva vow should be someone who has taken the bodhisattva vow and holds the precepts without any violations. And so this is the quality of being venerable.
다 누바사디 버지 더지 야 가세 소나디 야지 라마디기 깨디 소면 끼리디 베라지 야 라마 가세 깨디 시라라지 지 동바 난겐데다 동바 난겐디기 마수는 주사네 동바 나서디기 마고와 된제로 된제 가르쳐야지 길이 누구와 정말로 다 된제 다 간다 길이 누구와라서 봐 된제 많이 봐 심기가 너무 뭐도 봐지 오늘 저녁에 봐 지금 겁다 줘 동계에는지 봐지 된제지 고 알아서 뉴베연데사 된제지 겁다 쳐 통해는지 된제지 뉴베연데는지 된제지 고유자 답변하지 Pajin Dinji, Shannon Jumel, the son of Beneji, Injibs Levy, and Inji Tonmaji, Kota Drutunge, Chokata Kota Drunge, Nubaye Dengue, Injiki Jara, Nujanaya Dengue. That's it. Gemidis Levy in it, Jagaton Maji, Kota Drutunge. And Beverage Go Maro, that the President Good. Madayaji, Chigeti, Peget on a bit, Lumba, I said, call Kota Trumaro. To do the shade, Penoma, children. The skill in the Koran, the skill in the energy in the skill.
And so the third is the capability, or perhaps the skills, the capabilities of the Lama. And this primarily, according to some explanations, is that that the master is skilled or has language capacities, capabilities. They're able to make the vow understood, make people understand what they're saying, so that the person who is taking the vow from them will be able to understand what they're doing, and so that they will be able to understand the language. So this means that they're capable of speaking the different languages. And I think if we understand it in this way, this is what we really mean by the third characteristic, which is capability or perhaps skills, so that they're able to bring people to understand. It's like in these days, if someone, if an English speaker were to come and to take the bodhisattva vow, then the master would need to be able to make them understand the bodhisattva vow. If they just spoke to them in Tibetan, no matter how long they spoke, for an hour or so, the English speaker wouldn't understand anything they're saying. So they need to be able to understand what's happening. Likewise, if a Chinese student came, they need to be able to give them the vow in Chinese, and similarly also to be able to give Tibetans the vows in languages they understand. Because if you have a foreigner come who listens to the someone speak in Tibetan for an hour, they're never going to come and gain any understanding. So here, when we talk about capability, we mean that the Lama is able to make the students understand what they're doing in the vow.
Da nibadi kange lembe den sarda da domba lenghengi khasa delia da luden kandish kwarasa. Da roar richu yor banga zu roar da nambe roar richu ge luden so yewi indusane domba lenghe khasa de da luden de kandish kwaras. Sadre.
Now the second qualification is the physical or the bodily support. What sort of body do they have? And this means, like in Buddhism, we talk about the 6 realms of sentient beings, and each of the realms have their own different types of bodily support. So what bodily support, what physical body can the preceptor have?
Da semge sadu gewe dance and da sadu gewe kisam da kanda semge roar ritu ga semge kirung dance amle ya mirunga message tediji paji sungu yebrse.
Now, in terms of the support on which we can newly achieve bodhicitta, then actually it said you can develop bodhicitta in any of the in the physical forms of any of these 6 realms. There's none where you're unable to develop bodhicitta.
Da mi dela ji semge we yebade paji yongda ro sinza de shumo che. Da lui dela ya semge we yebade ma zhe bi shubin do na lo le ya ne ji lu kara dunjini dong abia lu dunjini dong abia anana me ba ando zo se semge so je de so ye bra che sa lui den da tunru ji ba che sa ma zo no lu de tunru ji she ga che sa da di den la semge we ba ji so de sama tong ke ben do na lo le ya ene jeresik ida mambo then Dembalaya Kuba sooner, started Dembala Kuba Sadi, Kabakashiki, did Dembala Kuba Sadi, and Sim Gabalaya, Gomba Res, the dead decision in the Yondi Usre.
Now, it's well known that we can develop bodhicitta as a god or as a human. It's also said that Nagas are able to do this. In the sutra requested by Anavatapta, it talks about how 72,500 Nagas achieved enlightenment and achieved bodhicitta. So Nagas are considered animals, and so it's possible on the physical support of an animal body. Now there is also the sutra called in Tibetan, the Samatokkope Sutra, the Samatokkope Do. And in this, it describes how Avalokiteshvara brought many hungry ghosts to see the truth. In saying that they were brought to see the truth, there are some scholars who say that this should be understood as meaning that they were brought to generate in bodhicitta.
대신도 다 질렌 사ben 도에 나놀래야 안 다자가 된바 ngar 다 냐외 신든 점be 개도 규르베 자나스 안 전주도 두 개베 인수어라 제자 디게 냐외 될래야 심게베 여버지 소임래.
And then there is another sutra, the Dhrumasama Den Sutra in Tibetan, in which it is explained how the Buddha Shakyamuni developed bodhicitta when he had been born in the hells. And so this indicates that it's possible to develop bodhicitta in the hells.
Dene da luige yasu shubin doya nalo la ya dene be lada luda dene miam jeda nanga ding da doji chenpo dang dene ganda ganga lo simge be geji she do je zang da di gyuze de do do she shan da ganda ji ro ri chuga ji simge be den do rungwan ro shi ba ji nisre kashi gi simge sabdu ge be den do rungu ye song do da 드린 두서 다대한 데스 계절로 데스 저버 채나 차야서 다 이나 케바스 그면도 간다라 심게 계획 된도 로아인 스타바 라샹다 서버 이나 닝바에는 케바스 그면도 다들지.
Now, in the sutra requested by the Naga king Dvaja, there is a passage that describes how all the humans, non-humans, the spirits, the Maharagas, and so forth all developed bodhicitta. And so basically, if we, to sum this up, among all of the 6 classes of samsara, all of the physical bodies there are bases on which you can develop bodhicitta. Now, there are some who say that this is developing bodhicitta for the first time. There's some debate about this, but that's not important. In any case, you can develop the bodhicitta in any of the 6 realms of samsara, whether it be newly developing it or whether it's continuing the old.
다드네 되게 류덴디 쉬스면서 다 심게 사도 개와서나도 심게 계획이 샘덴 슈비미나 다 심게 샘덴데 다 군조 드면 돌레스 다 군조 따라라 말베디 군조 드면 다 군조 드면 돌레 예다 계획 철라 대주 천주 가르사 정매 철라 대요나 가르사 기부 당반남 심게 어서 이제 쓰주하라 다 되나도 도르디 까담 고만남기 가르송도사나 에너지게 다다디 예다 계획 철라 대규진사디 바 짬줄래야 지시견체 짬주디 에네 메도미로 규르지레스 송도아 짬주디 엔심기 계획 메도미로 규레스 조숨이야 다 대박지 고레스 다들 송다 간다 가리니메네 심기 사도 계획이 된들래야 아니 조숨이야 대박이야 지 짬도 지 고유자.
And so that's the physical support for gathering, for developing bodhicitta. Now the mental support for developing bodhicitta newly is as described in the sutra of the the sutra of the jewels, the Talas Sungwe-do. And this, to sum it up, according to the explanation of the Kadampa masters, what it says in the sutra is that you have to have gone for refuge in the victors and in their dharma. So this basically means that you must have gone for refuge. Going for refuge is indispensable for developing bodhicitta. Without going for refuge, you cannot develop bodhicitta. And so, in this manner, the basis for arousing bodhicitta is that you have to have gone for refuge to the three supreme ones. You must have gone for refuge to the three jewels.
단도나 semge 다 semge 랭갱이 가사디 다 루심 니게면 다 루덴다 semde 니게게 차네 semge 게we 된도 롱한테 고랑같이 진이를 지레샤 다드네 아주 문심 지 초계권의 송야래야 고랑 매바 예대봐 쪼아 예대봐 드니지 고예브다 다나 신기 지 문심 렘발라야 어느 고랑 고숨이 누바 예대봐 누바다 되네버지 고랑 가르쳐야 되지 간다 디 문심 레야래야 고랑 처디도 예대비지다 누바도 차사 지 가르쳐야 좀 누바르지 내가 누바르 찾아 되는지 된대버지 되는지 구역자.
And so the first characteristic of an individual who is going to arouse bodhicitta is that they have to have an appropriate physical and mental support. In both respects, they have to have the appropriate support. Now, for the ritual on developing aspirational bodhicitta, it's also said that they need to have the longing and the enthusiasm or the consent to do this. And another aspect is that in order to adopt aspirational bodhicitta, they also have to have the capacity of their body, speech, and mind. This means that they need to be ready to do it, and they must be able to be capable of accomplishing it.
단들이야 금들이야 다지 까네르는 다 까네랑도 지게면 다지 직여도 가르잖아 다 돈바 땡진 이만이사데 계주셔 봐 다들 마시네 돈바 땡진 사데 계주데 가르잖아 소소타바 리드윈 게서 아주 남전나 소소타바 리드윈 다도 dom신데 말이죠 좋습니다 돈바 개바 유기 현도 민사기 다 찍텔 땡세 안에 지게 가서에 다 조도 장도 죽돔을 심니다 아이나 가셔를 전수 면심을 거라서 다 조도 죽돔래 죽돔 톱에 땡들 인지미지 다 간다 소다리든 강론지 거래서 다지 심 소다리든 강론다 데바지 거래서 대순 거봐 다 될이야 안에 지게 다 대지 통내르지 까내르지 같이 차려야.
Now there's one difficult point or one matter here, a difficult matter here, and this is what is the appropriate support, whether this vow needs to have an appropriate support or not. Now what it says in the Lamp for the Path of Enlightenment is that the person who takes the vows must have one of the 7 types of vows of individual liberation. Now, in saying that the person who takes the bodhisattva vow has to have one of the 7 types of vows of individual liberation, this actually primarily refers to the vow of engaged bodhicitta, not to the vow of aspirational bodhicitta. And so, in order to take the vows of engaged bodhicitta, then one has to have one of the 7 different types of vows of individual liberation. And so here, this is a difficult matter or an area that needs investigation.
다 될래야 다 도도를 쉬비미나 전신 숨고 나를 뒤지 쉬도만로 삼으로도 당부디 깨와다 네베 니게 된도 무거버 되베 룩직다 다 되네 니바디 다 웃음기 개발 체네 샘잠을 로랑 예버도 그야라 우마벨 로라 무거스지제 손이 직체 다 되네 숨바들이야 깨네 니게 된도 거버 되베 룩 나바 숨 용데도.
Now, here to sort of summarize the different positions, there are basically three different positions on this. The first tradition is of those who say that the vows of individual liberation are not necessary either to develop the vows or to maintain them. The second tradition distinguishes between the middle way and the mind-only vows and says that the vows of individual liberation are necessary in the mind-only tradition, but not in the middle way tradition. And the third tradition says that the vows of individual liberation are not necessary either to develop or to maintain the vows.
다들이야 걔네 니게 된도 무거버 되었디 안에 야르기 케바 바베 아바야 까라다 에네디네 다지 제 탐지 게바 제 정가바 첨보다 다는 신기 바지 디 까마부디 메추라게 저기 다다디 까라다 Persian Javan Jidian Sumji German Sadder. Simge Yenche Mado, the Javadi took Zomtro Lubas, Zomtro Ludevici, the Tazan Tarioma, Troll Ludev, this Jesha. On the Tina Lole, that to someone which have a chick butter, and that you are the never nigget end of Muguba. There is
Now, the masters who say that the Pratimoksha vows are not necessary either to develop or to maintain the vows include the Indian master Abhayakara, the great Tsongkhapa, as well as the seventh Karmapa Chudagyatso, who discusses this in his commentary on Prajnaparamita called The Lamp for the Three Worlds. Now, there are some portions of this text that are missing, but it is present in but the section on bodhicitta is present. And in brief, these three masters all say that the Pratimoksha vows are not necessary for either developing or for maintaining the bodhisattva vow.
나 아바야가 투바 공개 나로 투바 공개에서 줘봐 나 투바 공개 나로래야 가디 소소탑에 domba 매버 전주스면 domba 미기 난니스 제제다 들마 리버고에체 소소탑에 domba 매발라 아니 전주스면 domba 게그 마레스 라바 이나스 제제 따마 가주에 더버고에체 또 텔리아 아니 가버도 제여브레 한 제르무스티네 티천주 숑람 나로래야 ane chidang gita shenyu shije pangwa tsamshiliya ane ji shenyu shida jeba mabana ane ji karchon shisebe domba mikiwa tsam gombara mado chidang ki sotari du tsingi ba mena shenyu domba kiga mares shije karchon chuya yo mares liso yibra.
In his treatise, The Ornament of the Buddha's Intent, Abhayakara introduces a dispute from an appointment, a dispute from an opponent, and what he says is, if without the bodhicitta, without the vow of individual liberation, bodhicitta did not arise, so he's saying if, and then presenting the opponent's position. And then he goes along to refute that at great length.
정신이 카나 마도와 정신이 카나 마도와디 마방와 이미나 안 정신을 봐 다지 토고 말해 자 잠로 공부를 마도에 수수탑에 또 친이 보면은 정신을 또 토고 말해지지 가서 줘봐 가서 줘봐 말했어.
And in his text, The Great Highway to Enlightenment, the Lord Tsongkhapa says that what it is meant is that one needs to give up the naturally unwholesome acts. And if you do not give up naturally unwholesome acts, then you cannot develop you cannot develop bodhicitta and take the vow. This is not meant to say that you have to have the actual vows of individual liberation in order to develop bodhicitta.
다 semsam벨룰라 니버디 semsam벨룰라 고레 우마벨룰라 고고 말에 수아디 다 아주 사계비 개버첨부 아니 고람바나 다가나 신기 닝메기 아주 닝마베드네 가래 아주 ngari benchen da ngari benchen domsum yorba ngari benchen domsum narole sunyebda din debati lojin tamashiri je yor din narole dinashi sunyebda.
Now the second position is that it is necessary in the mind-only tradition, but not necessary in the middle way tradition. Is described by the great Sakya scholar Gorampa, and in the Nyingma tradition it is described by the Ngari Penchen in his treatise on the 3 types of vows, and also treated in the commentary on that by Dharmashiri.
다들 리레이션 슈모가죠. 다 숨버디 깨네 니게 된도 구구레 사디. 다들 답을 타긴 나눠려야다. 답을 타긴 거다야. 아니 배다, 롱다. 아니 균생 나버 숨기고 안에. 근데 걔네 니게 된도 가서 다 된도 거버셔버 가서 된도 고르해서지. 근데 손요 답을 타긴 나눠려.
And so the third position is that the vows of individual liberation are necessary both to develop and to maintain the bodhisattva vows. And this is the position described in the Ornament of Precious Liberation earlier, where it describes this both through analogies and scriptures and as well as through reasoning. And so basically here it is in the Ornament of Precious Liberation, it is saying that the vows of individual liberation are necessary to both develop and maintain the bodhisattva vows.
다디 이나야 답을 타게 나눠래 디커도 되려야 망부치 야난데지 가시지 되바듯이 디 정루인다 되바괴바점인다 디 가리인데 따지야고 제거하르지 내단을 두차리샤 마도야 지 되려야 야난데레스 망부송샤 지다디 정루 서마르다 코랑기 다보름지 코랑기 세바이엔다 아니 신기 루괴바이 내가 아주 따지 제거하지 제사 제상 아주 지단 차네 심주를 갈라간 섬을지 제여래 다디디 시야고하스 게면도 다다 심주 제사상 다다 시야샤는 선이 그규 군제가 고소 냠당하면 차도도 그래서 제사
But at the point where it describes this in the Ornament of Precious Liberation, then this is during a section where it is presenting many different positions, and it's saying in this case, and presenting one position, in this case, and it's presenting another position, or saying alternatively and presenting a position. And so the question is whether this is actually Gampopa's own position or not, and this is something that we need to look into. So saying that it's his own position means that we need to do research as to whether or not this is Gampopa's own explanation or whether it's his presentation of another tradition. So we have been researching this, and there's quite a bit that could be said about this, but they're going to be talking about it during the Kaju Gunshuk coming up, and if we speak about it all now, then they won't have anything left to say.
ane den dana singe ye gyawam mi do ge jung gunji changju semge somgin jebe na lo le changdom sinyi be gebe yena sodar gi domba ko cheboji di gyula mi ge misis dinde 제제 소요 다 디기 야 가르쳐 다지 다 장동 신이 버 게비나 디 덴들이야 디 규데 소스다도 더 고셔지 고아레스 디 소멘도 삼버지아레
Now, in his treatise describing the single intent of the Drikungpa, the eighth Karmapa Mikyu Dorje says that in order to have an authentic bodhisattva vow, you must have an effective vow of individual liberation in your being. Without this, it is impossible to develop bodhicitta. And so, in other words, what this says is that in order to take the bodhisattva vow, you must have the effective vow of individual liberation.
안도나 도도 시위입니다. 아니 되는 안저 죽은지 된 숨경기 껴반지 된 숨경기 오골기 domba 땡진도 되바 임베 소다 진짜 아주 오골사다 아주 세월보다 아주 domba 땡 제주선배 domba 땡진도 되고 땡진사다 가라사나 수수탑에 그 dom백이 땡다 제바 드리진도 유에서 송이미 인두산에 버지 다보 그 유망시에 수수탑에 domba 되버지 고유에는 스타티 송과데 버지 투서디 까담발이 저 까담발 투예배 소리도 가라스나 까담 고만데 저기 다 수수타발이야 인지 민지기다 간다 급디뒤지 지속에 내당시 인기를 삼정도 간다 가리님네 수수타베 돈바텔이야 베 제대 첨부시 나간세 간다 전주선배 그 넘어가 슈빈다 땡엘이야 수수타베 돈바지 강로지 소다리도 강로지 먼저 저거를 때려야 가르쳐다 세상만 주는 우주로 전부 경우 견상시도 다 대한디 전주남정 대신 somada 전주남정 대신 다 전주남정 대배 나로 대바 텔레체지 텔레게비지 요사마래 아주 세바친부 다 구조 견센소아래 아주 로종 가서 생인쇼가 로종 가서 로도 로종 가서 생인데 세바친부 구조 견센소 말해 말해서 군조견에서 주는 게서 찍어. 군조견에서도 주는 게서서도 군조 숨긴 방식도 간다 가리면 제름 붙이 로메 대직체. 되네 롱된 시적 군식 로마레도 삼소. 롱된 시적 군식 로마체. 제름 붙이 로마 임붙체. 간다 들리지가 셈바첨부 미주 셈바첨부 쇼도 가담베 냠네 제너 전주쌤 그 투규 배 담대바 다 투규 리버 장대바 되지 다가다 깨라치면 싶 중임 동마 공기 가담 고마데 숭주의 창월로 초지도 뉴지 되지기다 전주남정 대신사지 저 중어봐 당안돼야 되지라고 톱소 공부를 집다 다 사나를 직전에 빠르 잡혀야 알아 두시게 간달 가인면에 다 디나로래야 가담 고마데 주기 숭망 붙일 것이야 가담 고마 폐쇄되기 가다 전선배 돈발래야 인지미지 소스타베 돈바지 고르스 디디나 소스타베 지금 거루지 고르스 제제 십송샤 아디 롬데베기 송도하다 롬데베 소나다 디원 롬게 마소라 소르지와 롬데바데 가담기 매버 인상 디지 송주산다 디 군제 숨디지 마시라시르지 바지 인사라 인주산 드립시샤
And so the basic point is that the Drikung master, the Jitun Sungon, said in his original text, the single intent, he said, we assert that the vow must have a basis. And so saying we assert, meaning we, the Drikung Kajus, assert that that the vows must have the basis of the vow of individual liberation. And so in this way, actually most masters of the Dakpo Kaju school say that you must have one of the vows of individual liberation in order to take the bodhisattva vows. And I think the reason why they say this is because it comes down to the Kadampa masters. The forefathers of the Kadampa school really stressed the need to take the vows of individual liberation. And I think this is a reaction to the social situation of their time. But they really treasured and valued the vows of individual liberation very highly. And they said that before you could take the bodhisattva vow, before you take the bodhisattva vow, you first have to have any one of the vows of individual liberation. In fact, if we say it in a less respectful way, they were very insistent that you had to have the vows of individual liberation. There is a text called, there's a commentary on the Lamp for the Path of Enlightenment called the Great Commentary on the Lamp for the Path of Enlightenment. This is the longest of all the commentaries on the Lamp for the Path for Enlightenment. It was written by a master named Kunchuk Gyatsen, who also collected the 100 types of mind training and so forth. He was known by various different names, Shunu Gyatsen, Kunchuk Bang, and so forth. He was a student of Tsongkhampa, as well as a student of Rongtunpa. And at any rate, he was known as being a great master who had really trained his mind very thoroughly through the methods and the practices.
Great bodhisattva.
He was recognized as a great bodhisattva who had trained his mind. Okay, so he was actually called the great bodhisattva in recognition of how well he had trained his mind in the practices of the Kadampa mind training school, in the Kadampa school mind training. In any case, in his great commentary on the Lamp for the Path of Enlightenment, he combined many different Kadampa many of the old Kadampa instructions into this, and I was able to find a copy of it. It's a rather rare text. I do hope that we are able to print it in the next year. In any case, it contains many different instructions from the great...
Next year, the next Tibetan year.
The next year, yes. In any case, in all of the citations from the Kadampa masters, it says that in order to develop bodhicitta, one first has to have any one of the vows of individual liberation. And I think the source for this is Drontumpa. Now, Drontumpa, of course, was the forefather of the Kadampa tradition. So once he asserted this, then of course all of his followers had to assert the same position.
Shandabungombi chulu sayati. Shandabungombi chulu sayati kandajire sana. Tadi thambu susu tabe domba chi le. Tadi ne ya di jela chanshu sembe domba le yunju sana. Susu tabe domba sungu marasta. Susu tabe domba ne yunju ne. Chanshu sembe domba chaso re. Chanshu sembe domba mada susu tabe domba sungu maras. Tadi jela sanga domba chi. Sanga domba chi wata susu tabe domba sungu mara. Chanshu sembe domba sungu mara. Sanga domba cha sares, ta domba di ne gyurni. Sanga domba cha sare. Ta sanga domba che kar jeje res ta. Kar jeje somar ta sanga nan ba chi yorwa, chi jorwa da jowa se de mongu yorwa. Ta di so kar che sanga ne sheba ne ji che sha na ta ko gyens ke yo mar jeje. Dinde ji chulu ji chumare. Je de du san pele ya ji be ta ji chue de be kanju men ju cha ji. Chue be 가서다지 건조먼조를 샤도 중벌에 재산 까담버디 수익이 배 딘데지 조지 덴제 휴제 벽이 상기기 때문에 다 데려 좀 지에네 가서 노르와도 좀 매면서 양다바도 야베 주든데 chen 조지 되는 쇼가 좀 새로 찍대 차대요. 제산 좀되면 디수기 다들이야. 갑자기 지소 내가 이제 인사 전주 남주가 나로래 다디지 상하시라 소요 말데 다나 신기 베라지 소소 타바 고고레 소소 타바 쓴 게셔보레 소소 타바 리딩기 마버지 송 다디 워드바 상하 커도도 알레두스타네 아직 가시 송 대시에 먹어시 다가다 디 근데 망고 송제 송과 김젠데 갑자기 지소 내다로 두스 차대요래 이제 마시 까담바디 데지 상하라 다 당보스케 말해 그래서 당보스케지만 딱 가다 고란 당보 고주 연dü네 데 상하 갑자기 상하도 근중문 주지 냠네 제대기 예배 인상 텔이야 까담바디주 투니에버시라요 말해 그래서 상하라 데지 가서 구독본을지 상하 냠네 지하로 구독보지 지단계 까담비 기세 망보 꼬라 상하 냠네 지기어서 다이네야 튜문가 나오라 지 미요한다보다 아니지 지준 드마다보다 덴데마다 지기 땅 아주 지 콜로 뎀져서 여러분 다들 담으면서 다니는데 냠네 지기에 넘주로 시다 땡겨 말아요. 꼬는 냠네 지대기 있어요. 이 대지 맛이 될 중지시야. 더 중지시야.
And so the situation, the social situation at that time, perhaps you all know, is that was a time when there was a lot of false dharma spreading in Tibet, or incorrect dharma teachings. It was a time of the tradition of what's called the blue-robed tradition. This is a tradition.
Blue-robed Pandita tradition.
The tradition of the blue-robed Pandita, and in this tradition, they say that first you take the vows of individual liberation. Later you take the bodhisattva vow. And when you take the bodhisattva vow, the vow of individual liberation is transformed into the bodhisattva vow, so you no longer have to keep the precepts of the vow of individual liberation because they've been transformed into the bodhisattva vow. Then later you take the secret mantra vow, and then once you've done that, you don't have to keep the vows of the vows of individual liberation or the bodhisattva vow, because they've been transformed into the secret mantra vow, and they thought that the secret mantra vows meant that you could do whatever you liked, and so the reason they thought this is now, of course, there's a lot of discussion in the secret mantra about joining and liberation and so forth. And if you're doing it as actually taught in the secret mantra Vajrayana, there's no problem with it. But in that situation, there are many people who are doing various different things and saying it was Dharma. And so this is probably the reason why the Kadampa masters invited Atisha in the first place. It was why he was brought to...
No, Tibetan.
Excuse me. Why the Tibetan masters invited Atisha to Tibet in order to rectify the situation with Tibetan teachings, to correct the teachings. And so this is a primary reason for inviting Atisha. This is why Drone Tumpa and so forth really valued the vows. And they spoke about it, and so they spoke about the need to keep the vows of individual liberation quite a bit. For example, in the Lamp for the Path of Enlightenment, it does not say much about the secret mantra vows at all. But it does talk about how necessary it is to keep the vows of individual liberation. It does speak about this at length, and it does mention a bit about this later when talking about the secret mantra as well. And so I think the reason for this comes down to the social context in which this happened. This is a time, and because of the social context, the Kadampa masters were, you could say maybe that they were a little strict with their practice of the secret mantra, or maybe not that they're so strict, but rather they're a little bit more limited in their practice, because at that point there are many people who thought that practicing the secret mantra meant that you could do whatever you like. And so the Kadampa masters actually were more strict in their practice. Actually, the Kadampa masters themselves did the practices of the secret mantrayana, but they did it in private. In public, they would talk about doing practices such as achala and tara. But in private, they would also do practices, and they wouldn't demonstrate or show anyone that they were doing practices such as chakra samvara. They kept those practices private.
umade kadambi chakse penaji narthangi chakse do narthandi kadambi dance da dance chasar jirwa kirashim jirwa tizugi lusele chage changwalo be sengo wala chegodo mig thonga me chembe sengo wala chage chen bige 가서다 긴사를 주로 비게 제 나한테 사는 저는 위치에 따대도 선서를 정말 가다 생고를 제고 있어요. 나탕 착시. 제고를 했어도 침침배들이 제고를 했어.
Like in the Kadampa great master, in the customs, the ritual customs from the great monastery of Nartang, which is one of the largest Kadampa monasteries, their tradition was that when you did mudras, you had to do them underneath your robes, underneath your ascents, so that people wouldn't be able to see them. So it must have looked kind of strange. These days, if we saw someone doing it, we'd think that they're sending instant messages. At any rate, this is described by the great Chim.
가다 성부다 나타나니 다 벽이 오늘 전에가 지 개변 중에를 시다 벽이 나렌저데 성부체 벽이 밀그라마 실라데 바지에드네 나타나니 있어서 말을 도와 다 가다 섬기 미겨봐 가다를 벽이 지 오늘 세변 중에 다 개변 중에를 시다 차디가래.
Now, Sangpo and Nartang monasteries are really the wellsprings of Tibetan scholars and masters. You could say that Sangpo monastery is like Tibetan Nalanda, and that Nartang monastery was like a Tibetan Vikramashila. In any case, these two monasteries were like the wellsprings of Tibetan scholarship and Tibetan masters.
다들 중대 가라산다 그 중대 시기 있으라다 중대 가라사나 리중바데 리중바데 지단전에 칼을 좀 시다나요 맞다 간다 지주밀레베기 까 팅숨 장에서 봐. 까 렌숨 장에서 마지에서나데 마 칼라 많이 까 렌숨 장에서 이나 지주밀레베디 답에 세상에서 공배 시가 야고 싶도 민도 좀 봐서 시가 야고 공 시다라 공부서 시다라 하면다 마르반데 있는데 칼라 가부 찾았다 밀레베 칼라 가부 찾았다 제가 콘팅질이야 까담비 공부질이야 침비를 까담비 공부질이야 치네 까담비 공부질도 잡아도 소소도 유스러 봐 소소도 유스단 딱공 만자지 이라삼 그 자동으로 만자라 깔아 하고 있어 공 만자 이라삼 뒤 지슈데 되대 까담 잡아서 뒤 지슈 될 되대 유스다 근데 잡아지요 어다 아주 내 잡아도 소요 알았어 라카르 루큐르 추구 말았어 라카보 양 그런 도가 까보 인자 루기 텔야 junru라다 이나 라카보디 교랑 라르마도 룩 말았어 제사 다 교랑데 대초 말았어 마비샤로 마비니 고 괴치럴 때 공기 시합디 공기다 세서 마시는 공 강바저와 디 치럴 마된 거 고잡 강바질 괴버루 강바질이라 강바질이잖아 나는 양 구르당 나스는 양공 구르당 좀 구르망 보시 담을 주시에 양고지 다 구르당 주산 다디 기시 제유에 세마레스 기시 제유에 센 기시 제유에 꼬려야 수르도 네 콘려야베 되는지 라마테네 지 최로 쉬레스 그냥 꼬도마다 양면서 되게 제조만다 기시 제유에 데 어다 공원에 내주르버지래도 호스 공가르사나다 나서다 인도산 공기 딱 간다 양한테 우르다한지 그런 게 급지 주산에 진짜 제별로 주셔야 해 제가 되게 지단 그 내주르 봤어요 뭐라 다지 가담바디 지 럽도 중화당 데리아 메버치 자침부지데 내주르버시다 가마 내주르버시다 돈이 보여 내주르바단지 지거바다 지사르진다지 응악바다 지세르바 응악바다 지 요기다 스다데 데 가담부터 두 가마라 가라스나 다가는 신기 다부름 비지 남타나요 다부름 비지 오마 가담베 자살이야 베스 시니 슈디베 걸이야 아니 고다 따바르시 다 기부질래 온도 레가고 근데요 기부질래 기부질래네 가르로디 기부질래 용요버디 밀럼 양내도 총어봐 다 공기 최저었습니다 공기 조보듯 somare chöro tsolya kiz ngate le milam yong dosl sondwa ottade kyoran rabdu chungwachi nenjorba milam ta dugjashi varesta nenjorba milam ta dugjashi var gengong ne vares de kyoran inji miji miyo wang shu goreche miyo wang shu tene chana nenjorba ko cher jinji nenjorba mebaji ma nenjorba ser jin nenjorba cher ndo rugi bitin kisha 다들 내절보다 인규시는 지수 밀라이버다. 제가 갑자기 이 내절보다 여기다 악보다 지세한테 소리야. 가담바 투니에 시작하니 매다. 다들 매비 준센데 딱 그저 엄마디 건중문 주체다. 건중문 주체다. 그거 말하다. 건중문 주체다. 그거 말하.
And so there's a story here, and the story is about Rechungpa. And actually Rechungpa was rather headstrong and disobedient. There are stories about how he was disobeyed Milarepa 3 times. So Milarepa was actually kind of had a genial, to say it in a not so respectful. He had a rather genial character and was not easily offended. If Rechungpa had done this to Marpa, then he would have been finished. But at any case, one day he went to a Kadampa monastery, and they were having a puja in the monastery. And so in the puja, there was a space at the end of the line, and so Rechungpa thought to himself, if I sit there, maybe I'll get a little bit of tea. And so he sat down in the row with the monks. And then a monk came, one of the Kadampa monks came to him and said, "What are you doing sitting here? How can you have one white goat in the middle of all the yellow sheep? You have to get out of here," and try to kick him out. And Rechungpa was very disobedient and headstrong about this, and he refused to go. And he sang a song at this point. He sang a song of...
he lost something. Before he went outside, they closed the door. Feet.
Okay, so and as they were kicking him out, they threw him out. They closed the door, but his feet got stuck inside, and so he sang the song while his feet were sticking inside the monastery. Now, inside the monastery, there was actually a master named Chayula, and Chayula was a Kadampa master, but he was also a hidden or private yogi, and had studied with Rechungpa. So he was a yogi, but he did not show this. And so, actually, with the Kadampa masters, they didn't like yogis. They didn't particularly like having yogis or tantric practitioners, what we'd call today ngakpas. They didn't really like them. We can also see this in the life story of Gampopa. When Gampopa first studied at a large Kadampa monastery, and when he was studying there, every night he would have the same dream, that there would be this old man in a white robe who would come to him in his dreams. And so when he talked to his Dharma brothers and his Dharma friends about it, they all said, "Oh, you're a monk. This is a bad dream. Dreaming about yogis is a bad thing. You better go have an empowerment of achala so that you can stop having these dreams." And so he went and had the empowerment of achala, but after the empowerment, the appearances of the yogi got clearer and clearer and stronger and stronger. And so this is really, it just shows how much the Kadampa tradition distrusted and disliked yogis and ngakpas at that time. And so I think this is related to these reasons.